are back here with a day 2 event of Advent of Cyber 2021. Let's go to the website. So we completed a task 6 on day 1. We will do task 7 on day 2. It is a web exploitation based task named ELF HR problem. Now you can read the story and the objectives of learning. For this problem you need to know HTTPS and what cookies are. If you don't, you can read through this to understand. I'm assuming that you know, so we can continue to solving the problems. Alright, answer the questions below. We have an option to open the static website. Click on this here and open link in new tab. You get here. It asks you to create an account and then verify the cookie using developer tools in your browser. So let's sign up and we can use any information: test, password test, email test @test.com, create account, and you get an error. So let's go to inspect and check if it has any cookies. For going to cookie, you have to go to the application tab, cookies, and then this cookie right here. You have two cookies here, 1p jar user auth. This users auth seems like could be the answer. And what is the name of new cookie that was created for your account? User auth is the answer. After that, the value. Okay, now this value seems like it could be hexadecimal. Let's copy this, search hex, decode, encode. We get to this website. It is an online tools website. Now the first two boxes are for text to hex converter, the next two boxes are for hex to text converter, and right now we have a hex code and we would like it to convert into a text format. So let's click on the convert work and we get this result here. Alright, the best festival company, and this is the name, this is the heading of our web server. It might mean that we are on the right path. So let's copy this result, copy. Try to edit it to something that could be useful. So here the first two information seems like they are to their default. We didn't have to enter any of this information while signing up, but we did have to enter username. So how about we change this to admin or administrator, whichever username is fitted into the target website. In this case, admin is the name of username that has highest privilege for the target website called Best Festival Company. So let's convert it into hex form. Copy this and go back to our website and change the cookie value by clicking on value and pasting our new value. Press enter. Now the website has been changed. Now all you have to do is refresh the website and you will get to the administrator page where it says you don't have permission to register an account currently. It basically means we are still on the register page. Let's try to go back to the login page and voila, we are automatically logged to the target website with the user admin. You can now answer them by yourself or I could help you. First of all, what is the name of new cookie? We already answered. What encoding type was used for the cookie value? Hexadecimal. What object format is the data of cookie stored in? So this is basically asking about the value of cookie. Let's go back to the value. It is asking what format is this information stored in, where there is a key with its value inside double quotations. So this is a very popular format used by web developers. It is called JSON. Let's Google JSON. You can see this image where this file is named tslint.json and it looks like this. So the format is JSON. We can go back to our questions and type JSON, enter. It takes us. And what is the value of administrator cookie? Username being admin. They have already mentioned that the name of username is admin. So the cookie that we created here with the username equal to admin, this cookie is our answer. Now what team is not responding? Let's go to our website and we can see that. Let's exit this. Here we have type, name, status. By default you can think that green means it is up and running, red means it is not working, and yellow means maybe something wrong with it, but it is working. So here it is asked what team environment is not responding. Other than that, you can see the answer format ends with two letters. So we have this HR. This could be our answer because it is not running, because it showed red color. Let's enter HR and it works. What team environment has a network warning, which might mean this yellow one, because the green seems it is running perfectly fine, and yellow could mean it is running but with a warning. Let's input the value application and it takes the value. After that, it tells you if you want to learn more about authentication bypasses. The entire procedure what we did was try to access the website with administrative privileges without actually inputting the administrator password or username in any boxes. Means authentication bypass, so we actually didn't have to authenticate ourselves. There are other ways than to edit just cookies. You can go to this link right here to solve, to practice more authentication bypass methods. I have already done that. Let's click correct answer, and after that it is telling you that next task will be released tomorrow, and Naham Sak will be recording a video walkthrough. You can watch his video or mine to understand how the day's 3 tasks will work. Completed. And we have completed our day 2 event.